Okay, so we got a door here that had entry forced on it, and it's got a side light, so we pulled the mole strip off. It was all cracked, and I'll put a new one on. And then I made a piece. What I did is I took a multi-tool and I cut all the way around after I pulled the weather stripping out, and then I'll put it back in afterwards. I cut all the way around, and then we're going to take this piece off. And then I had a piece of white primed pine, and I cut it to fit, and then I planed it down so that it would fit in here. And if you look, it's just slightly short of that, and that's because I'm going to fill the back of that with glue, and then I'm going to put 2 white screws in there to fasten it back together, and then we'll put in the new mortises for the deadbolt and the doorknob, and then we'll go get a new mole strip to cover this all up and put the weather stripping back. Okay, so I got that all glued up. I got this all glued up. I'll just smooth it around a little bit and we'll put it in. All right, so we got everything. All right, so we got everything mounted again. I just got to go pick up a piece of mole strip, and then we'll be all set to go.